Let's learn how to change color in middle of crochet work. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Now when we have to change color in middle or anywhere in between the work of in crochet work, remember always keep two loops on your needle. Then the yarn you want to change, hold it back. Okay, keep two loops on the needle. Then yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through from both loops. Okay, and before proceeding just stretch or pull actually both end of previous yarn and new yarn, so that space get tighten up, or else it will remove or tie a knot, whatever you can be doing. And then start with the other stitch. Okay, so this gives a look, a just tighten it up, or like because it is loose, it could be seen, or else it is like two different line, one stitch is of previous color and one stitch is of new color. Okay, once you tighten up those yarns, and then just go on making now I am making single crochet stitches. Just go on making stitches in the back loop of the stitch of each stitch, of whichever stitch you are using. So this is how we change color. Now see, I have tightened it up. See, a good change we can see. One stitch is of this previous color and one stitch is of new color. Okay, it's a clean change. For many such tips, please subscribe to YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.